Hello team, here's my justification for the design choices I made when creating the infographic we need. Proximity means to group related design elements together. I applied proximity in this area of the infographic where these two icons are grouped. Visual hierarchy can be used to arrange elements in order of importance. In these two sections, I used varying text sizes to highlight focal points. The brown lettering is dominant and the blue lettering is subdominant. Throughout the entirety of my infographic, I used horizontal alignment, which means the elements are arranged relative to a horizontal line. A complementary color scheme uses colors opposite each other on the color wheel. As you can see, I used the blue, pink, and brown colors to create a vibrant visual experience. Let me know if you have any questions.